Okay, so here's what we've done so far. We've put some shelves in the corner, we put a seat in there, and then we put some trim up around the top. We still have a piece of trim to put across the face of that. I'm just letting that glue set up completely before I remove that brace that I put in up there. So this trim comes in 10-foot pieces, and we cut it and miter it in the corners. And then this cove stick, we just glue with silicone. Everything's put up with hot melt glue and silicone. You run a bead of silicone on the wall or behind the trim, and then just use some hot melt glue out of just a cheap little hot melt glue gun and stick it up there so the hot melt glue will grab hold, and then the silicone will act as the permanent bond, but that hot melt will stick it up there so it doesn't fall off. That's how we put these shelves up also. Locate the shelves where you want them for height. We use a little torpedo level. Put them just a hair off of level so the water will run off the face of the shelf and not back here into the corner. And then after we mark the location of that shelf, we just kind of rough that up with a block sander or a utility knife, and then we use the hot melt and silicone again to put these shelves in. And so that's just glued in there, but that shelf, and I was just put in just a couple hours ago, so I'm not going to be too rough with it. But in the end, that shelf, you could stand on that shelf. I don't recommend that, but you could stand on that shelf and it'd be plenty strong. The seat in the corner, we make these legs that go down there first. They're 3/8 thick. They just glue to the wall panel, and then this seat just sits on top of those legs. We'll have a piece of trim that we'll put in at the back there. You can see up underneath that seat where it just sits on top of those legs. But then we still load up the back side of the seat with silicone and glue it into place. Cove stick up that side, and again the ceiling trim that we put up around the top of there. And then Marble Works makes a color match silicone for all of the shower panels. We'll put that in. It's a pretty small gap anyway, but we'll finish it off with that color match silicone and put that around all the shelves. And we're just about done with this. And we'll just put the trim on the showers, put the shower head in, and it'll be ready for a shower door. Okay, well here's the finished product that I'm going to show you now. So we replaced the vanity top with a new Marble Works cultured marble sink. We put the wave bowls in there. And then we've got a new glass door on here. And the ceiling, the trim pieces. Open this up again and go in here. Again, you can see in the corners our color match silicone. It's not wanting to focus real well in that, but you just don't see the grout lines. Well, they're not grout, but you don't see the silicone lines at all. Up here at the top, we just cut that cove stick flush, and then this trim gets mitered in there, and then that just gets siliconed. I'll just get siliconed in. Where I dropped that ceiling, I just ran another piece of that trim up across there. And again, I just dropped that because I had the water line coming across here for the shower head. Anyway, that's the finished product. If you have any questions about MarbleWorks product, you can see us online at www.marbleworksiowa.com. We have a YouTube channel that you can get to from there, or you can always call us as well at 515-989-9115. Thank you.